So check it out. We got some news about the old Honda Civic. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Well, the old Civic is actually going to the shop to get some much needed work done to it. This trash can, keep doing trash can shit. Let me change that, pull it back. But anyway, like I said, the old Civic is going to the shop. As you know, I hadn't really done too many videos on it because of the weather, and I need to do some work on it. You know, if you watch the other videos, that I need to get some seals put in the transmission and I need to fix this head leak. Well, I had planned on doing all of that myself like I normally do, but I'm finding out that I really just don't have the time to do it. So if I don't have time to do it, I need to find somebody else to do it, and I did just that. I was trolling around on Facebook Marketplace, ran across the Honda guy who's actually going to do just that at a reasonable price. And the plan too is to get it on the dyno and finally get a dyno tune. Cannot wait to get that done. That part is kind of still up in the air, but I want to do it at the same time because the only reason why I haven't gotten it dyno tuned so far is because of all the oil leaks and the transmission issues. I just got those fixed, but all of that is coming to a stopping point. So when do I plan on doing this? It's going to happen within the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping the last week in the end of the month, 24th, 25th, sometime on that. I'm gonna have it towed to the shop because I would hate to mess up my transmission because the fluid leaked out by driving over to it. So we're gonna have it towed to the shop and get all of those things fixed. And we are going to have a blast once it gets back. Now the plans for it after that will probably be get a new paint job. Kind of want a new paint job, tighten it up. I mean, although this one is fine, that's not that important. But if you see up here, it's starting to peel a little bit. This is where the plastic dip was. So I really just kind of want to peel all of that off. And I might do that as well and start over because I actually painted over plastic dip. So this should be fairly easy to pull off, as you can see. So we may get that done. We may do that too, and it'll be back to stock color. This fender is black, but at this point, that's really no big issue to me. What's most important is we get stuff done right. And that paint job is not done right. But it looks good from a distance, so there's that part. But most importantly is these oil leaks, so I can actually enjoy the car, run it, drive it, because I don't drive the vet that much as it is. So, and sometimes my wife is in the Kia, so I really just need to get it together so I can run to the store every now and then without putting a ton of oil on the concrete in doing so. So just expect some more content coming from about the old Civic soon. But for right now, just stick with me. We got some plans for it. I really want to paint it again, but if I paint it again, I'm going to do it right. Sand it down, do all of that good stuff. Or I can even take it to Mako and let them do it. You know what I'm saying? There's so many options once I get these leaks, the engine fixed. If the heart of the car ain't running good, then there's no need to do anything else. But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up. Just a quick update of what's going on with the Civic. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want me to make this car into. Road course car, which I don't have. Suspension is kind of set up for it, or a drag car. I'm kind of leaning towards the drag car, to be honest with you. Anyway, this your boy. Peace.